Today we're gonna do some off-roading. I decided to make a video of going off-road with the CB500X because I think a lot of people are curious what you can do with the CB500X as far as the off-road goes. Just a little disclaimer though, I'm not the best off-roader, I'm just a beginner, so just bear that in mind when you're watching this video. I'm gonna go very slow because I don't know this track very well and I'm not that good, but I came here once before and it was a really fun track, not too difficult. Also, before I start filming with the GoPro, I want to thank all the people that guessed the movie quote from the previous video. Your comments are right here. There's also a movie quote at the end of this video, so if you guess that right, your comment will be in the next video. So yeah, I'm gonna try and make this interesting. I'm gonna mix up the angles so you can really see what the motorcycle does. So yeah, enjoy. Alright, so that was my first lap through. I came across this little hill. It's pretty big. I'll try and stand next to it just to show you how big it is. And I'm gonna try and go up it and down it, and there's just a whole course here with very loose sand everywhere. So I'm gonna take my panniers off and try and go through it. Actually pretty tiring. It's not only pretty hot outside, but with all the gear on and the constantly getting off the bike and setting up the camera and setting up the bike and everything, it's pretty tiring. So unfortunately this is going to be a teaser video because my GoPro batteries ran out of power because I forgot to charge them. So I'm going to come back here for part 2 and I'm also going to bring someone that's gonna film me. So I think part 2 is going to be way better, but I still think this video can get you sort of a glimpse of what the CBX can do just stock, without any different tires on it or different suspension on it. So I'm still gonna upload this and I'm gonna ask you to stay tuned for part 2. This video turned out to be way shorter than I expected, but what you gonna do? I guess it's still a good video. There's one more thing I'm gonna show you, and that's the wakeboarders that are going at it in the lake. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now guess this movie quote. A wizard is never late, nor is he early. He arrives precisely when he means to.